camera thing. Oh, he's pushing it.
You got your camera out. I got my camera out.
But I got my camera out. Well, you got a better camera, so we'll probably use your shit, but we'll see.
Off to another track day. This time with, well, not a new car, but it looks like a completely new car.
Classic view with a little bit of rain, but here we are pulling up to the famous turn. Good old RMDC.
Another day, another drift.
About to get a good reaction out of one of the guys that owns the place. The guy's just got an energy where he's just so hyped all the time, so we should get a pretty good reaction out of the old new paint job. He has no clue.
Never seen it before.
He knows what it used to look like, so it should be a pretty damn good reaction.
Well,
here's the turn. We'll get back to you in a few seconds.
Does it come with a pair of pink panties too? Let me ask the guy that wears them.
Let me show you. I will show you some.
He says, does it come with a pair of panties too, is what he said.
Yeah, does it come with panties?
Currently sitting here in a parking lot, bumperless. No lights, no nothing. Dead in the water. Because all we wanted was some Dairy Queer. Jeez, man. Can't catch a break with this Beamer. Still looks good, though.
So we're having a bit of traction issues. He's got winter tires in the front on rain, so that's not too good. So the front end's not getting the grip it needs, so he's airing down. He's also got really bald tires on the back in the rain, which is obviously not good. So we're gonna have to air down those. Try and get a little more traction there. We were getting water in the back on his battery. So a little duct tape fix that. Problem solving. Zip ties and duct tape, we got it.
Yeah, 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 and I just lose control, yeah, yeah, when I'm in the zone, yeah, yeah, I let it all go, yeah, 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 and I just lose control, yeah, yeah, when I'm in the zone, yeah, yeah, I let it all go, yeah, rules. It's April Fools. We shining and grinding, increasing revenue. And lately I've been feeling like, wait, don't let me kill the vibe. Corona on the islands in the States. We drinking.
Beamer's been doing good other than the bumper. It's not fucking dying on us. We could be out there fucking sending it. And instead, we're saving a wannabe Beamer. An R7 with a Beamer engine. You're welcome, Dom. You're welcome. Still here with Seth. We got Jesus and his V8 Audi. We got Corbin. And the owners. Here comes Seth with his little pink sprayer. Look at him. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cute?